Hey, how y'all doing? And thank you for watching this video. Have you ever thought about what can I get for $1 nowadays? What can I get for $1 nowadays? So these are 12 things that you could get for $1. It depends on where you live at, but let's see. I know you can get candy, you can get chips, you can get cookies, you can get fruit, you can get water, you can get soda, you can get sunflower seeds, you can get ice cream, you can get a bagel, you can get lottery tickets, you get a scratch off ticket. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? But nowadays it's like, what can you get for $1? So down below in the comment section, list 12 things that you could get for $1 where you live at. Also, make sure you scan this QR code, pause the video, scan the QR code for your free gifts just for watching. Read the video description as well. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell. What can you get for $1 nowadays? What can you get for $1 nowadays? $1.